पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। यस्सु सर्वाणि भूतानि आत्मन्येवानुपश्यति सर्वभूतेषु चात्मानं ततो न विजुगुप्सते। ईशावास्य उपनिषद शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय। भाष्य यह तु यह परिव्राट, परिव्राट मीन्स सन्यासी, परिव्राजक। परितः व्रजति इति परिव्राट। मुमुक्षु। Parivrat, in other words, they define as full-time seeker, not part-time seeker. In this way you can understand. Means he has all the time only for moksha and no time for dharma, artha, kama. He is called a Parivrat. Other thing is, he goes from place to place. But if you are studying, you have to stay at one place. Then you cannot be Parivrat. But you have minimum possession. When you have minimum possession, then only you can go from one place to another. So that is indicated by this one word. Mumukshuhu. Mumukshuhu. 1 number tippani. तेन त्यक्तेन इति उक्तम त्यागवंतम एव यच्छब्दः परामृशति इति अभिप्रायेण व्याचष्टे। तेन त्यक्तेन भुञ्जितः, त्यक्तेन मीन्स त्यागेन. सो नाउ why did you say Parivrat and Mumukshu? Because the one who does tyaga alone is going to protect. That's why त्यक्तेन. यत् शब्दः परामृशति इति अभिप्रायेण यः परिव्राट् मुमुक्षु। सर्वाणि भूतानि अव्यक्तादीनि स्थावरान्तानि आत्मनि एव अनुपश्यति। He sees all beings as अव्यक्तादीनि. अव्यक्तादीनि बहुव्रीहि समास. अव्यक्तम आदिर येषाम, और या अव्यक्तम आदि येषाम भूतानां तानि अव्यक्तादीनि एंड स्थावरान्तानि. स्थावरम अंतम येषाम भूतानां तानि स्थावरान्तानि. सो स्टार्टिंग विथ अव्यक्त, एंडिंग विथ स्थावर. अव्यक्त मीन्स व्हाट? Prakriti, Maya. From avyakta, everything else becomes vyakta slowly, all the way up to sthavara. All of them are Atmani eva anupashyati. He sees everything other than everything in Atma. Means Atma vyatiriktani na pashyati ityartha. He does not see anything other than Atma. Atma vyatiriktani bhutani न पश्यति. एवरीथिंग इज माई एक्सप्रेशन ओनली, माई सेल्फ. सर्वभूतेषु च तेषु एव च आत्मानं तेषामपि भूतानां स्वम् आत्मानं आत्मत्वेन यथा. ओके, सी अप टू दैट. सर्वभूतेषु च आत्मानं मीन्स सर्वभूतेषु च तेषु. तेषु अव्यक्तादिषु स्थावरांतेषु आत्मानम, starting from in avyakta all the way up to in sthavara, he sees one's own self. Atmanam teshamapi bhutanam swam atmanam atmatvena pashyati. See टीका, थर्ड टिप्पणी. भूतले घटादिवत आत्मनि भिन्नत्वेन भूतानां दर्शने प्रयोजनाभावात्. दिस थर्ड नंबर इज ऑन व्यतिरिक्तानि न पश्यति. ऑन दैट इन भाष्य इट इज गिवन व्यतिरिक्तानि, वॉट एवर इज द टिप्पणी नंबर ऑन व्यतिरिक्तानि. Bhutale ghatadivat. So if there is ghata on bhutala, you see them different. Bhutala is different, ghata is different. Ghatadivat atmani bhinnatvena bhutanam darshane prayojana bhavat. In atma bhutanam bhinnatvena darshan, that all are different. In this way he does not see. In Atma, everything becomes one. Bhutanam darshane bhinnatvena darshane prayojana bhavat. Yasmin sarvani bhutani atmaiva bhut iti vakya sheshajya abhedartha eva saptami. Next mantra also is going to come. Yasmin sarvani bhutani. So here there is अभेदार्थ. अभेदार्था एव सप्तमी इति अभिप्रायेण व्याख्याति. व्याख्याति मीन्स व्याख्यानं करोति. आत्मव्यतिरिक्तानि न पश्यति. So he sees all as his own self. Nothing different. यथा अस्य देहस्य, इन भाष्य, यथा अस्य देहस्य कार्यकरण संघातस्य आत्मा अहम सर्वप्रत्यय साक्षीभूतः चेतयिता केवलो निर्गुणो अनेनैव स्वरूपेण अव्यक्तादीनां स्थावरान्तानाम् अहमेव आत्मा इति. यथा अस्य देहस्य, जस्ट एज फॉर दिस वन बॉडी, अस्य देहस्य, आई एम आत्मा ऑफ कार्यकरण संघात. कार्यकरण संघातस्य आत्मा अहम. सी टिप्पणी. अस्य देहस्य 6 नंबर सेज मुमुक्षु देहो निर्दिश्यते. देहस्य इति अस्यैव व्याख्यानं कारण कार्यकरण संघातस्य. सो देह मीन्स कार्यकरण संघात. सो स्थूल शरीर and all indriya etc. all put together. कार्यकरण संघातस्य आत्मा अहम, I am the self. What is that? Sarva pratyaya sakshi bhutah. I am the sakshi of all pratyas, all vrittis that arise in this deha. So if there is any body pain, I know it. If there is any swelling anywhere, I know it. If something is not functioning, I know it. And any other thought modifications that happen in antakarana, I know all of them. Sarva pratyaya sakshi bhutah chetayita kevalo nirgunascha. This is the mantra from Shvetashvatara. That only Bhashyakar put it in this Bhashya. एको देव सर्वभूतेषु गूढ़ः सर्वव्यापी सर्वभूतांतरात्मा कर्माध्यक्ष सर्वभूतादिवासः साक्षी चेता केवलो निर्गुणश्च. चेता चेतयिता. चेतयितृ शब्द प्रथमा एकवचन. केवलः means all भेदास are absent. And निर्गुणः अनेनैव स्वरूपेण अव्यक्तादीनां स्थावरान्तानाम् अहमेव आत्मा. With this swarupa alone, I am the Atma of Avyaktadinam Sthavarantanam, starting from Avyakta all the way up to Sthavara. 9 number Tippani, you see. 9 number is on Kevalaha, I think. No, Swarupena Avyaktadinam, that Tippani. केवलो वस्तुतः साक्षित्वादि धर्म रहितः. केवल means here it is given as even sakshitva is not dharma of Atma. Sakshi does not have sakshitva. It is that kind of sakshi. You say ghata will have ghatatva, pata will have patatva, sakshi should have sakshitva. See, केवलो वस्तुतः साक्षित्वादि धर्म रहितः. Even साक्षित्व धर्म is absent. Sakshitva or sakshita, that is absent. Absent in the sense, in Atma, which is paramarthika, sakshitva is only vyavaharika. In this way we should understand. Dharma rahitaha in this way. In paramarthika Atma, what did I say?
Sakshitva is not there.
Vyavaharika sakshitva. In paramarthika Atma, there is vyavaharika sakshitva. Just like in vyavaharika Devadatta, there is pratibhasika pitritva. Vyavaharika Devadatta in Swapna became Pita. So Vyavaharika Devadatta has Pratibhasika Pitritva. Like that, Paramarthika Atma has Vyavaharika Sakshitva. If these things you understand, you will enjoy Vedanta. Further you see in Tippani, Nirguno, Jnanechhadi Guna Nirmuktaha. Nirguna means Atma is devoid of Jnana Ichha. What are the gunas?
रूपरसगन्ध स्पर्श संख्या परिमाण पृथक्त्व संयोग विभाग परत्व अपरत्व गुरुत्व द्रवत्व स्नेह शब्द बुद्धि सुख दुख इच्छा प्रयत्न धर्म संस्कार.
So Atma has only the last 9, but you said all gunas. The question was asked, guna means of the Atma, nirgunaha, jnanechhadi guna nirmuktaha Atma. Jnana, ichha, dvesha, prayatna, sukha, dukha, dharma, adharma, ityadi. Iti evam shodhitam tam tvam padartham. Shodhita, padartha shodhanam, when it is done, tvam padartha. Swadehatmatvena pashyati. He sees himself as swadehasya atma, swadeha atmatvena, swadehasya atmatvena pashyati. Tathaiva sarvabhutatmatvena api. In the same way, he sees himself as sarvabhutatma also. Just as he sees himself as swadeha atma, swadehasya atma, in the same way he is also sarvabhutasya atma. अनेनैव रूपेण इति एतद्देहवर्तिना साक्षित्वादि घटित स्वरूपेण इत्यर्थः. So just as he is Sakshi of this Deha, its activity, he is Sakshi of all. तथा च औपाधिकैः सुखित्वादि धर्मैर् विभेदे भासमाने न एतत् तात्विकम ऐक्य दर्शनम प्रतिहन्यते. So even if because of upadhi there are other bhedas and there sukha dukha etc. are there, they are all aupadhika. Tatvika ekatvam. So in Paramartha, Atma is one. In Vyavahara, so many are there. So Paramarthika ekatvam, Tatvikam Aikya Darshanam na pratihanyate, is not obstructed, is not destroyed. So Atma Hameva iti sarvabhuteshu cha atmanam nirvishesham yastvanupashyati. Sarvabhuteshu, in all beings, he sees Atmanam, Bhashya, Nirvishesham. He sees himself as Nirvishesham, Vishesharahitam. Tippani Nirvishesham iti Sakshitvadina Ekarupam. He sees himself as Sakshi. Second number Tippani, Anupashyati, you see, Yaha tu Anupashyati iti. Punaha yat shabdaha yat shabdo upadanam anvaya pradarsanartham. Yat shabda has come earlier. Yastu sarvani bhutani atmani eva anupashyati. So in Bhashyakar gave yastu anupashyati, that ya anuvritti he has done just for anvaya. And what is his anupashyati? You see in Tippani second number, Acharya Mukhat Ishavasyam ityadi Upadesha Shravananantaram iti Anushabdartha. This is one meaning of Anu. From Acharya Mukha, he has done Shravanam of Ishavasyam ityadi Upadesha Shravana Anantaram. Anu. Not only Ishavasyam, whatever Vedanta Shravanam. Saha tasmadeva darshanat na vijugupsate. Therefore, he does not have vijugupsa. Vijugupsam grinam na karoti. He does not do grina. He does not have any hatred for anybody. प्राप्तस्य एव अनुवादोयम. प्राप्तस्य अनुवाद, so न विजुगुप्सते. न विजुगुप्सते is not a vidhi for him, that he should not do vijugupsa. But he will not do vijugupsa. He will not do grana. This is only anuvada. There is no vidhi for jnani, but this is anuvada, means it is natural for him that whatever should happen naturally is what is expressed here. So, Shastra doesn't say after jnanam you should become sthita prajna. Shastra says you will become sthita prajna, not that you should. You should become a yogi is not said. You will become a great yogi, means jnani. So this is called praptasya anuvadaha. It is not a vidhi. And in that Tippani 4 number there is a big Mimamsa discussion, which we don't have to go in, but just understand it is not vidhi. सर्वा हि घृणा आत्मनो अन्यत् दुष्टं पश्यतो भवति. All घृणा is there because a person sees something other than oneself, and that which is in a negative way. Atmanah anyat dushtam pashyatah bhavati. Atmanam eva atyanta vishuddham nirantaram pashyato na घृणा निमित्तम अर्थांतरम अस्ति इति प्राप्तम एव ततो न विजुगुप्सते इति. Atmanam eva atyanta vishuddham, the one who sees one's own self as atyanta vishuddham, extremely pure, means untouched by anatma. Nirantaram pashyatah. See, this is the other meaning of anu. Anupashyati is translated here as nirantaram pashyatah. 5 and 6 number you see. 5 number टिप्पणी प्राप्तस्य एव अनुवादोऽयम् इति उक्तं तत्र किं केन कथं प्राप्तम् इति एतद् विशदयन् आह. अन्यत्र अपि अदुष्टे न घृणा इति दुष्टम् इति दुष्टे अपि अभिन्ने न घृणा इति अन्यदिति. In adushta vastu there is no घृणा. Means something very beautiful, you like it, even if it is other than you. Like sunrise, so beautiful. Himalaya is there, Gangaji is there. Some child, is running or walking. So sometimes on Gangaji, some children are there. You just look at them, they are so happy, they are enjoying their life, they run around. So there is no घृणा. And dushtamiti, dushte api abhinne na घृणा. And if some dosha is there in me, I don't have any घृणा. Like when you start getting grey hair, in the beginning you may think this is dushtam only, but then you don't want to remove them. Because you don't know whether any hair will come back. This is for other people, sannyasis, so they remove hair anyway. So, adushte api abhinne na घृणा iti anyat. Or like how father, their child, son, daughter, no matter how bad they are, oh, they are very good. Very good. Why? Abhinna. They have a long rope for their own children. That's what they say. 6 number टिप्पणी सी आत्मानम एव अत्यंत विशुद्धमिति एकाभावेपि घृणाभावः सुतरान्तु उभयाभाव इति भावः. If there are two, then one person will do घृणा for the other. Let us say one person is not there only. Then there is no घृणा, right? Other person is not present. And let's say if that one is also not there, means in Atma, even Eka is absent. Atma is only Advitiya. Not that Atma is Eka where Dvitiya can come later. It is always Advitiya. So that is given here in Tippani. Eka abhave api घृणा abhavaha sutarantu ubhaya bhava. There is abhava of both. Both means this individuality itself is not there, then you will not have any घृणा. न घृणा निमित्तम अर्थांतरम अस्ति इति प्राप्तमेव. So घृणा निमित्त is not there. While I am in Swapna, I see Devadatta, Yajnadatta, Chaitra, Maitra, and I may have घृणा. When I wake up, there is no discussion about anybody. This is like this, that is like this. What are you talking? All swapna vishayas, swapna padartha. What is there to talk? So घृणा निमित्तम अर्थांतरम अन्यदर्थम न अस्ति. So because of this प्राप्तम एव घृणा अभाव is प्राप्तम. In this way प्राप्तम एव घृणा अभाव ततो न विजुगुप्सते. Therefore there is no vijugupsa. So I should see in myself if this vijugupsa is there, then I am not able to have Atma Darshanam. Ekatvam is not there. Yasu Swarvani Bhutani is not happening. Na Vijugupsate, in Kathopanishad also it came. Where? What mantra? ईशानो भूतभव्यस्य ततो न विजुगुप्सते. अंगुष्ठमात्र पुरुषः ज्योतिरिवाधूमकः ईशानो भूतभव्यस्य. I think that is the mantra. ततो न विजुगुप्सते. This will be at the end of Chaturthavalli, I think. Or Panchamavalli.
411, 412.
412.
ईशानभूतभव्यस्य स एवाद्य स ऊष्वः. So that's not it.
After that or before that?
Yathodakam Paramatakam.
411 and 412.
4-5 Swamiji.
Yes, Swami.
4-5.
यं वेद आत्मानं जीवमन्तिकात् ईशानं भूतभव्यस्य न ततो विजुगुप्सते. एतद्वैतत्
न ततो विजुगुप्सते. There in Bhashya, slightly different idea is given. Different means Sthita Prajna should have both. Jivan Mukta should express both. Imam eva artham anyopi mantra aha. The same meaning is given by next mantra also. Imam eva, 9 number tippani. Imam eva iti atrapi alasya abhavat iti uktam anusandeyam. Here also there is no alasya. What was said there in the earlier 5th mantra? Jnana Chaitanya ji, what was said? Jnana ji, you are there or not?
Yes, Maharaj, I am there.
What was said? Remember I told in the class to you? Na mantranam jamita asti. Jamita. So there jamita means alasya. Here also it is repeated that there is no alasya for mantra. यस्मिन् सर्वाणि भूतान्यात्मैवाभूद्विजानतः.
यस्मिन् सर्वाणि
भूतानि
भूतान्येवाभूद्विजानतः.
भूतानि
तत्र को मोहः कः शोक एकत्वमनुपश्यतः
तत्र को मोहः
तत्र
कः
को
शोक एकत्वमनुपश्यतः यस्मिन् सर्वाणि भूतान्यात्मन्येवाभूद्विजानत तत्र को मोहः कः शोक एकत्वमनुपश्यतः
यस्मिन् सर्वाणि भूतानि आत्मा एव अभूत विजानतः विजानन शब्द इज देयर विजानत विल बिकम विजानतः सिक्स्थ केस षष्ठी सर्वाणि भूतानि ऑल बीइंग्स आत्मा एव एवरीथिंग इज मी अलोन आत्मा एव अभूत विजानतः तत्र को मोहः देन फॉर दैट पर्सन को मोहः कः शोकः वेर इज मोह वेर इज शोक and if shoka is continuing moha is there shoka is result of moha shoka is there means moha is there shoka moha is there means sarvani bhutani atma eva abhut has not happened this is the way we should understand or ekatva is not there ekatvam anupashyatah vijanatah को मोहः कः शोकः the one who sees ekatva means advitiyatva there is no shoka moha yasmin is given as yasmin kale at that time so this is also jnana phalam yasmin kale yathokta atmani in this yathokta atma see tippani 10 and 11 10 is a ati gahanasya tattvasya झटित्येव बुद्धि आरोह अभावम अभिप्रेत्य यस्मिन् काले means at that moment why because later again this jnanam can go away झटिति because it is ati gahana yasmin kale means you should understand jnana kale yathokta atmani va tani eva bhutani sarvani paramartha atmadarshanaat atmaiva bhut atmaiva samvritah परमार्थ वस्तु विजानतः तानि एव सर्वाणि भूतानि ऑल बीइंग्स परमार्थ आत्मदर्शनात् बिकॉज ऑफ द परमार्थ आत्मदर्शन आत्मैवाभूत दे ऑल हैव बिकम आत्मा अलोन आत्मैवाभूत आत्मैव संवृतः परमार्थ वस्तु विजानतः संवृतः मीन्स अकम्प्लिश्ड not samvrittah, not covered. Atma is attained, samvrittah. Paramartha vastu vijanatah. So Atma in which everything is, this Atma is siddha for him. This Atma is known. Vijanatas tatra tasmin kale tatra atmani va ko mohaha ka shokaha. Then तत्र आत्मनि वा को मोहः का शोकः so this you can understand in this way that atma pay attention that atma in which I understood all other beings sarvani bhutani in atma sarvani bhutani are there all sthavara starting from avyakta what is that nature of atma शुद्ध चैतन्य इट इज शोधित अहम इन दैट शोधित अहम अंतःकरण इज देयर Shodhitam Padartha will not have Antakarana, means Antakarana will be Mithya. Like all Jivas are Mithya. Correct? So if all Padarthas are Mithya, in Aham, Atma, Antakarana is Mithya. If Antakarana is Mithya, in that Antakarana, if Shoka and Moha is there, does it belong to me? No, I don't have Antakarana. So this Tatra Ko Moha Kashoka can be understood in two ways. One is, this is not a question. For that, Atma means in that Antakarana, Shoka Moha cannot be there. Atma word you can take for Antakarana. But if you take Atma as Shuddha Chaitanya, then you know, even if there is Shoka Moha, it is not in me. Because in Atma, there is no Shoka Moha. So if Jnani is Atma, can it have Shoka Moha? So the answer is no. Jnani cannot have Shoka Moha. Jnani cannot have Shoka Moha. Shoka and Moha are only expressions of avidya. So really he cannot have. Ko moha ka shokaha. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyakrtau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.